Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to get up here and introduce the vlog and say hey y'all. Let's get into it. I'm about to do my lashes. I was looking a mess and I was kind of over it, so I was like, let me get up and at least get myself somewhat together. So we about to, and I just flat iron my hair because as y'all can see, it looks like really stiff because I have all this oil in my hair that I have to constantly put in it, but I just couldn't walk around with it just like how it was. Either in them cornrows, and I took them cornrows out and it was just all over my head and a little ponytail in the back. So I was like, let me try to do something to look like something. Even though this ain't that much better, but let me do something. And I'm kind of scared to like put anything on my edges and stuff. I just wanted to do something to myself because it just had me feeling like sad. But I think that I'm just going to get some braids so that way my scalp can be accessible for me to like oil it as much as I need to and just like wash my scalp because that'll just be easier. To sum that all up, I made this mess in my bathroom and I'm about to clean this mess up really quickly, and then we're gonna throw on some lashes, and then I just have to pick up my daughter's prescription. I don't know what else today has to bring. Hopefully this vlog be a good vlog and hopefully it's not like all over the place. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. Ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function.
Good morning y'all. It is the next day and I'm out here getting my walk on. We didn't have to put on our lashes yesterday. We cleaned the bathroom as y'all seen, and then I had to do something else, some paperwork and stuff, and it literally took me about like 5 hours. But I'm gonna get up here and say good morning, happy Thursday. It's Thursday, April 24th. Yeah, I'll pick y'all up when we get back to the house. I love them. Yeah, we back in the house. 10,760. So we hit 10,000 steps. But yeah, we just finished walking. I'm about to brush his hair back. I'm about to get in the shower, throw something on, brush his hair back real quick. I need to go to Michael's really and look for my sister a label maker. So we're gonna see if they got some in there or just see what store. She need one, but she don't know that I'm gonna get it for her. So we're gonna do that. And then yeah, that's all I got for right now. I did just want to come up here and report my steps for y'all. I don't know why I'm recording on my phone, but yeah, I'm gonna pick up my camera in a minute. Hey y'all, good morning. I'm about to put my nightstand mirrors up on the wall. Those was the mirrors that I had at first from my last apartment, those like gold ones. But we're about to put up these black ones now. I just like wiped my nightstand off or whatever, and I just gotta wipe that one off over there. And yeah, we're gonna put them up. And I also have a picture light that I'm thinking about putting up. Over those pictures. Also y'all, as y'all can see, I'm folding clothes as well. So that's what we're doing. But I'll pick y'all back up when I have the mirrors on the wall. This is the before. This is the after. Let me know what y'all think, and let me know if y'all think that they're like too high. So this is it with the picture light. So can y'all see it? And then it also changed settings. So that's one setting, that's another one, and then that's another one. So yeah, and I'm controlling it with this remote is what I got to control it. Anyway, y'all, yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. What y'all think? No. I need your eyes. Hey y'all, I don't know when the last time I picked y'all up, honestly. I think it was when me and my youngest daughter went to the movies, which was Sunday. We went to go see that movie, not Jump, Drop. When the lady went on a date and they asked her to kill her date. That movie was really good. I'm not gonna go into detail because I don't know if like people seen it. It's currently Tuesday, April 29th. My daughter's birthday is today. My youngest daughter. She did turn 13 today. I cannot believe I have a 13-year-old and 17-year-old. Like 17 is crazy to me. So that means I'm getting old. But yeah, anyway, y'all. So she just wanted to like get a couple things, which we ordered, and then I took her to the mall the other day and got shoes and stuff. Today, we're taking her to Dave & Buster's. She's gonna go to Dave & Buster's. This Tuesday's school day anyway, so it won't be much that we're gonna be doing. And a couple of like her friends from school are coming. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm actually sitting right here trying to figure out if I want to upload this vlog before this one that we're on, y'all. But honestly, I feel like the vibe was not there because I was irritated and I was overwhelmed with what was going on with my skin. My skin is doing way better, y'all, as y'all can see. So it's basically almost gone. I went to the dermatologist. I got stitches. They came back. He told me it's inverse psoriasis. All the flaking and dryness, most of that is up. As y'all can see though, I'm gonna try to insert a picture so y'all can see like the before. I see me on the after. But like y'all, it was so dry on my skin, especially like around my scalp, that it was like patchy flakes. So when I like washed my hair with the medicated shampoo and the oil and everything, you know, it moisturized my hair, so all the dryness and the flakes went away, but it literally took out my hair. And my skin color is coming back a little bit, but at first I was looking like a fucking banana at the top of my head. I'm not yellow, I mean I'm not dark, but it was real light. Anyway, y'all, I'm rambling. I'm about to sit right here and see if I want to make this thumbnail for this vlog really quickly and then see if I'm gonna upload it. But I really think that I'm not, y'all. I'll pick it up when we get to Dave & Buster's. Yeah. I'm just trying to get to know ya, get a little closer. I come on, taking away from you, bro. Wow.
Trust me, then too. Keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold on. We gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah. Only for life, yeah. Only for life. Let's get it.
Something about the name. So yeah, I just left town center cold press. Well, we just left my dermatologist appointment, y'all, and I just had to get my stitches removed. So we did that. Got our stitches removed, but I wanted matcha. I got a small iced matcha. And she's really good. I just got a smoked salmon bagel. Oh, she looks good. Let me show y'all. So y'all, this is the bagel. So we got that, and we about to I need to run to the bank, so we're about to do that. Let me move out of the way because I know people be trying to park and it ain't a lot of parking spots over here. So if I'm not going in somewhere, let me move out somebody's way. But let me use some hand sanitizer. Town center area, like where I'm at, y'all, they got a lot of stuff down here. But this matcha is kind of sweet. Like really sweet actually. And I'm tasting it. I shouldn't have added the white mocha because it's sweet. But be fine. But this bagel looks really good. Y'all want a bite? Oh, that's good. I'll finish the rest in a minute. But every time I get something from somewhere, I be like, okay, I'm gonna make that at home. Like, I just look up the recipe, probably from that establishment online, and then I end up making it home, and it end up being and tasting almost just like it, or sometimes better. But yeah, y'all, we got our matcha. It's sweet as fuck, and I don't like that. I got matcha at home too. I want to go look in Burleson's and see if they got this perfume that I've been seeing going viral on TikTok. It's called, I forgot the name of it. I gotta look it up now. But I want to see if they got it in my Burleson's. I'm gonna speak it into existence. They got it. I'm just gonna go pick it up. And then after that, I need to go for like a walk. And I want to go to the bank. I just passed the bank, y'all. I literally just passed the bank. Last time y'all seen me, I was at Dave & Buster's, I believe, for my daughter's birthday. That was the last time I checked in with y'all. But it's been a couple days later, and it's Friday. So I don't know what today has planned for us, but I really need to figure out my hair. But I don't know what they have planned for us. But once, I mean, of course, once I figure it out, and if it is something, then I'm gonna pick y'all up so y'all can come with me. Yeah, I haven't picked y'all up since the last time I picked y'all up, but I'm about to close out this vlog. I just got back in the house from the grocery store because I had to go pick up some shrimp and some stuff to make my pasta. I'm not making my pasta from scratch, and I normally make the Alfredo sauce from scratch, but I'm not right now because I just don't feel like it. It is currently 6:46 and it's Monday, May 5th. So yeah, we're about to cook this pasta. I'm gonna just make some shrimp Alfredo. I took some scallops out. I don't know if I'm gonna put those in there. I know I look crazy, but I just wanted to get up here and y'all, we're gonna cook together, and I'm going to come back and close out this vlog so that we can go ahead and start a new vlog. Let's go ahead and make this pasta. Check out my flowers that my daughter got me the other day, cause they're so cute and they're still like going strong. Can y'all see them? Oh, they're so cute. We was in the grocery store and I was getting something, and she came up to me with these flowers after she had already bought them. So cute. And I got a question. Do sunflowers last longer than any other flower? Because anytime I get any, let me turn it back up. Does sunflowers last better than any other flowers? Because every time I get sunflowers, they last, but any other flower, they seem like they be dying quick.
About this party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? I'm in my mind at work, would you still? You get 100 I'd rather you trust me than two. You do the whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. There's nobody, no one that'll run.
I'm about to go eat my food. I already showered. I'm about to get in bed, honestly. My stomach is still feeling weird. I got my water. But I just wanted to end out the vlog and say thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you made it this far, thank you. And if you like this vlog, comment down below and tell me what y'all like. Interact with me in the comments. I would love that. If you are a subscriber, thank you. And if you are new, if you want to subscribe, boo. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.